Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is the 13th of the month. It is the second Monday of the month, which means that we just got all of the info on the Boxycharm choice items for the month of October. So today we're going to be going through all of the choice items, the spoilers that were revealed, as well as an in-depth review of which choice I would pick from each line and why, in-depth on every single choice available, and all of that good stuff. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe because I do upload every other day, and that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. Also, there is going to be a giveaway in this video. My giveaway box is overflowing, so I'm going to put together 3 mystery bundles. So there are going to be 3 winners of that. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, comment down below with literally anything. You could just leave any comment, and subscribe to my channel. As long as you are subscribed, you like the video, and you comment, you'll be entered to win one of 3 mystery bundles, because again, I have a box that's overflowing and I have to get rid of some stuff. So if you want to enter the giveaway, that's how you do it. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so we are going to start with the premium spoilers because there are 2 different spoiler lines and a total of 4 different spoiler items. And I'm going to go through the 2 different lines. I'll put pictures on the screen and we can talk through that. So the first premium choice for October is going to be between 2 items. The first is going to be from Lily Lashes. It is the Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. It retails for $65. Now, I have never used this lash serum before, but I have been a fan of the Grande Lash MD Lash Serum for literally years. I've been using that, I want to say, for about 4 years now. I used to have no lashes. They were stubby to the point where in my early videos, I didn't even put on mascara. My lashes were so pathetic, for lack of a better term. I have no mascara on today. All I did was curl my lashes, and they actually exist, and all of that comes from a good lash serum. Now, we've gotten a ton of lash serums in the box, and I have, being honest, never used any of them because I stick to the Grande Lash MD. So of that, the Lily Lashes one, I'm sure it's good from an ingredient standpoint. Lily Lashes make some of my favorite lashes. Their lash glue is pretty good. But I'm not really interested because I already have my tried and true lash serum and I'm not going to be messing with anything new. The other item is the Antioxidant Energizing Essence from 111 Skin. It is a retail value of $100. Now in Essence, I've done full-on skincare routine videos and I'll link one up above where I talk all about essences and some of my favorites. But in Essence is something you do after your toner but before your serums. Essences do 2 to 3 different things. First, it does boost hydration in the skin and it does balance the skin. When we wash our face with our cleansers, we're using warm water and we're flushing our pores open and getting all the dirt out. Then we use a toner to seal those pores a little bit tighter so that we get less debris in there. In Essence, after we put the astringent or the toner on our skin, in Essence is going to balance the skin, rehydrate, and allow whatever you put on top of it to sink in a little bit deeper. Skincare is expensive, so using something like an Essence means that you're going to get more potency out of anything you put on top of that essence. So antioxidants are great because it does help to balance the skin. It's prebiotic. And also antioxidants, or vitamins A, C, and E, do balance the skin and help to protect it. So of the 2 items between a lash serum and an essence, I am obviously more interested in the essence just because it's one of those products in a routine that I'm really a big fan of. Currently, I am using the Kiehl's Ferulic Essence, and I'm alternating that with the Caudalie Vino Perfect Essence. Both of them are really nice. Both of them are really balancing. The 111 Skin looks like something I would enjoy, so that's something that not only would I pick that, but it's something I would definitely end up using. Now, there is a second choice line in Boxycharm Premium between 2 other products. It is a brow pencil and a bronzer. So the first is from Rowan Beauty. It is the Vow Brow Pencil. It does seem to come in 2 colors. One that's like a medium brown and one that's like a darker brown. From the swatches I saw online, they both seem to be a little on the neutral side. So if your hair is a little warmer and you don't want warm brows, it could work for you. I'm not really a big fan of universal brow colors. They just don't typically work for me. And I like a brow gel because it's a lot easier to just comb through and call it a day. I have nothing in my brows today and I'm fortunate that my brows are pretty full. So the brow pencil is something I'm going to pass on. This one is a retail value of $26. Now, the other item is the No Limits Bronzer from Liss Beauty. Now, this is really in a cute triangle component, but it does come in 5 different colors. Now, this is a matte bronzer, and it looks really beautiful. All 5 colors look like they can go for a range of skin tones. Even the darkest shade looks like it's actually going to be dark enough for deeper complexions. I love a good bronzer. 2 months ago, we got the Vesca bronzer, and this has become like a holy grail bronzer of mine. So I'm really excited to try additional bronzers. Another reason I'm really excited to have this product in the box is that not only is it a clean brand, it is new to Sephora, it is a Black-owned brand, and Tisha Thompson, the founder, actually was the person basically responsible for growing Pure Cosmetics to what it is. She was on the marketing team for that. So she knows her formulations, she knows good product. So I am really confident because her extreme industry knowledge means that she knows what she's talking about when it comes to product development. So I have no reason to believe that this is not going to be a fantastic product. The bronzer does retail for $18, and even though that is a lower price point than the brow, I'm still more excited for the bronzer than the brow pencil. And for base box, there are 3 products that you can choose between. Now with premium, there's always 2 different lines, so you can do one of 2 products twice. With base box, you do only get to pick 1 product, but there are 3 different options, so you're still getting a decent amount of choice. Now the first product is from Glow Recipe. It retails for $34, and it is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops. Now, Glow Recipe is a Korean beauty-inspired skincare line. It has a lot of really great ingredients. Niacinamide is known for boosting glow to the skin and helping with skin clarity, while also helping to refine the size of pores, and it can even help diminish dark spots in certain people. So as an ingredient, I think it's something that belongs in everybody's routine, because no matter what your skin is like, whether you're congested, acneic, dry, oily, you can benefit from niacinamide and glow. It just adds that hydration into the skin. And when our skin is hydrated, it produces less oil. So even if you're greasy, something like this could help to balance your skin a little bit. The second item in this line is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. Now, for those of you subscribers, you will know that that was an item in the premium box last month, or I guess this month because it's still September. That was in the September box. So for some people, you're going to see this as an overflow or a duplicate item. However, you do not have to have the base box to get the premium box and vice versa. So I don't mind when they put an item that was in premium as a choice item in base, so that somebody who might not have gotten it in one box can get the opportunity to get it in another. Personally, I love this palette. I owned this palette. I broke this palette and I never replaced it. I did not get it in my premium box in September. I would love to get it in my box in October, so it is definitely something I would be excited to get, and it does retail for $38. And the last item in this line retails for $35, and it is the Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. It's an eye cream from Tarte. I will say Tarte makes some great cosmetics. With the exception of the Knockout treatment, which is a very potent toning treatment for exfoliation and pore refinement, I don't love their skincare. I think it does good for hydration, but it leaves something to be desired in every other step of the word. So I could see this being a very hydrating product. But when I'm looking at something that is going to be used in my under eyes, I want things that are a little bit more potent. I want a little more brightening. I want extra hydration. I want anti-aging. And vegan collagen is a good ingredient, but I think you need a little bit more in an eye cream, in my opinion. So personally, I'm currently using the Caudalie Resveratrol Lift Eye Cream, which resveratrol is a vegan alternative to retinol. It is actually also found in the GIVEWAWAY Cosmetics Concealer, and it doesn't cause photosensitivity. It's safe to use during the day. Great anti-aging ingredient. And I can get something like that, or I can get something that's hydration and vegan collagen. I'm going to go with something a little bit more anti-aging personally. So of the 3 items in this line, I would be happy with either the Glow Recipe or the Beauty Bakery. But given that I've gotten so much skincare in my boxes lately, I'm more interested in the makeup currently, so I really want that Beauty Bakery palette. So now is the chance. I would love to hear down below your thoughts on what you're most excited for, what products are calling your name. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and leave me any feedback down below on the choice items, what you're thinking. Just from the choice items, I'm going to say I think this is shaping up to be a much better assortment than September. I liked 1.5 of my boxes in September, and so far, there's not a single line that didn't have something I was excited for. In the month of September, I had a few of the choice lines where I was like, I guess I'd be happy with either, but also not really excited for any. But when it comes to this month, I am quite excited for at least one product in every line. Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!